Hello there! Christmas is not the same without a wreath. So either to adorn your front door or to enhance your interior decor, this year we're staying on trend and incorporating dried flowers into our DIY kits. So these are available in a wide range of colours, and these wreaths make a perfect gift. So if you're feeling creative, you can make one for yourself or give away as a really thoughtful handmade gift this year. So in the kit you receive a base, some dried flowers and some twine. The only additional item that you'll need is a pair of scissors. So I'm going to show you how to put one together in really simple step-by-step guides. So enjoy. So I hope that's inspired you to have a go. Go to our website, which is www.trianglenursery.co.uk, where you'll find lots more DIY kits that will give you inspiration to have a go at creating something yourself. And there are other dried DIY kits that actually colour coordinate with what we've done here. So go and explore. So this is obviously my interpretation of how you can create this design. However, yours might be different. Make sure you tag us if you do share on social media, because we love to see what you've created. And as always, I've got some top tips for you. So top tip number 1, this is not just for Christmas. This can be used in your home all year round because it's long lasting and low maintenance. Now, if you do decide you want to hang this on the outside, on your front door, don't forget to make sure that it's protected. You don't want it to get wet because obviously the dry flowers won't like that at all. So if you've got a porch or a covered in front door, then that would be fine. And then top tip number 3, when you're actually securing the items onto the wreath, try and weave the twine through some of the lower leaves or some of the lower branches, just so it kind of anchors them in. All right. So thanks for watching. And we look forward to welcoming you back again very soon. Bye for now.